Welcome to Tech Vibes. If your laptop takes too long to turn on, freezes at the loading screen, or needs several minutes before becoming usable, this video is for you. Stay with me for the next few minutes because I will show you the exact fixes technicians use to solve slow startup problems permanently. If your laptop startup time is more than 1 minute, your system is already warning you of hidden performance issues. Ignore this problem today, and tomorrow your laptop may not boot at all. Now let us start troubleshooting step by step. First, check startup programs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Disable all unnecessary apps like launchers, auto-updaters, and unused cloud services. Only antivirus and touchpad drivers should stay enabled. This single step can reduce startup time by up to 50%. Second, check your storage type. If your laptop is still using a hard disk drive, also called HDD, slow startup is normal. An HDD reads data mechanically and causes long boot delays. Upgrading to a solid-state drive, also called SSD, is the most effective solution. An SSD can boot Windows in under 15 seconds. Third, disable fast startup conflicts. Open Control Panel, go to Power Options. Select Choose what the power button does. Turn off fast startup. Fast startup sometimes causes driver loading errors and slow boot loops, especially after updates. Fourth, check system health. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type sfc/scan now. This command repairs corrupted system files that slow down startup. After that, type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. This fixes deeper Windows image problems. Fifth, check antivirus behavior. Heavy antivirus software can delay startup by scanning files at boot. If possible, switch to lightweight protection like Windows Security. Never run two antivirus programs at the same time. Sixth, update system firmware. Outdated BIOS, also called Basic Input-Output System, can cause slow hardware initialization. Visit your laptop manufacturer website and update BIOS carefully by model number. Finally, check background hardware issues. Failing RAM, overheating CPU, or weak battery voltage can delay startup. If startup is slow, even after a clean Windows installation, hardware diagnosis is required. This is how professionals fix laptop slow startup problems correctly. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. See you in the next technical guide.